Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to log into MetaMask on your laptop. First, open your preferred web browser and locate the MetaMask extension icon, usually found in the top right corner. Click on this icon to open the MetaMask interface. Ensure you have your secret recovery phrase or your established password readily available for the next steps. This initial access is crucial for managing your digital assets. Once the MetaMask extension is open, you'll see a prompt to enter your password. Type your previously created password into the designated field. After entering your password, simply click the Unlock button. This action will grant you immediate access to your wallet, allowing you to view your balances and interact with decentralized applications. This is the most common way to access your wallet daily. If you're setting up MetaMask on a new device or reinstalling, you'll need to import your existing wallet. Select the Import Wallet option. You will then be prompted to enter your 12-word secret recovery phrase. Carefully type each word in the correct order. After entering the phrase, create a new, strong password for this specific device. This process securely restores your wallet. To keep your MetaMask wallet secure, always store your secret recovery phrase in a safe, offline location, like a physical notebook. Never share your password or recovery phrase with anyone, as this could lead to loss of funds. Regularly back up your wallet information and be wary of phishing attempts. Practicing these security measures is vital for protecting your digital assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.